Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best compressor parts is probably one of the most crucial investments for anyone relying on their air compressor for DIY projects, professional tasks, or even just routine maintenance, ensuring your valuable tool operates at peak efficiency and longevity, preventing unexpected breakdowns that can halt your progress and cost you time and money, making the right choice absolutely essential for uninterrupted productivity. Number 5. N008792 Regulator Repair Kit for Air Compressors. Is your air compressor struggling? This essential repair kit is designed to bring it back to optimal working condition. It's the perfect solution for common regulator issues. Engineered as a direct replacement for part number N008792, this kit ensures a seamless fit. You can trust it for reliable and consistent performance. It offers broad compatibility with numerous Craftsman air compressor models. From 33-gallon units to specific series, this kit has you covered. This kit also extends its compatibility to various Porter cable compressors. Whether you have portable or side-stack models, it's designed to fit. Furthermore, it's fully compatible with a wide range of DeWalt air compressors. Restore the efficiency of your D55168, D55167, and many other models with this kit. With its precise design, installation is straightforward, minimizing downtime. Get your compressor running like new again with this dependable repair solution. What we like. This kit offers a direct OEM replacement for your air compressor's regulator. Its broad compatibility across multiple major brands makes it incredibly versatile. If you own various compressor brands like Porter Cable, Craftsman, or DeWalt and need a reliable regulator fix, this is your go-to solution. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. K0650 Air Compressor Cylinder Ring Kit for Craftsman DeVilbiss. Is your air compressor losing power or struggling? This essential kit is designed to bring it back to peak performance. It's the perfect solution for common wear and tear issues. This versatile replacement kit fits numerous popular brands, including Craftsman, DeVilbiss, and Porter Cable. It's compatible with both single and twin-cylinder oil-free pumps, ensuring broad applicability. Engineered as a direct replacement for OEM part K0650, it matches original quality and function. This kit is specially designed for easy and proper servicing of your oil-free air compressor pumps. For dual-cylinder pumps, remember to replace both the cylinder liner and piston ring simultaneously. This ensures equal air output and maintains optimal balance in your compressor's operation. The package includes a coated cylinder sleeve, a coated oil-free piston ring, a piston rod cap screw, and 2 crucial O-rings. Everything you need for a comprehensive repair is right here. What we like. This essential kit is designed specifically for servicing oil-free air compressor pumps. It includes all necessary components for a complete cylinder and ring replacement. If you are looking to restore peak performance to your oil-free compressor and ensure balanced air output, this kit provides a high-quality, direct replacement solution. What people say. Number 3. Porter Cable 5140111041 Manifold Kit. Discover the essential component for your tools. This kit ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. Rest assured, this is an OEM authorized part. It guarantees the highest standards of quality and compatibility. Designed to fit various Porter Cable models, it offers versatile application. You can trust it with your existing tools. This is a genuine Porter Cable replacement part. It's engineered to perfectly replace your original component. For easy identification and ordering, its OEM part number is 5140111041. Ensure you have the correct part for your needs. What we like. This is a genuine OEM authorized part, ensuring perfect fit and function for your specific Porter Cable models. It's crucial for maintaining the integrity of your compressor's air distribution system. If you prioritize original manufacturer quality and need to replace a worn or damaged manifold, this part guarantees seamless compatibility and reliable operation. What people say. Number 2. Porter Cable C2002-C2005 Drain Valve N286039-2PK. Ensure your air compressor runs perfectly with this genuine OEM replacement drain valve. It's designed by Porter Cable to fit your equipment precisely. You're getting the exact part number N286039, a crucial component for your unit. This ensures reliable performance and durability. This valve is compatible with numerous Porter Cable air compressor models. It's a versatile solution for many popular units. Specifically, it's a perfect match for the C2002 and C2005 series. Verify your model number to confirm it's the right fit for yours. Replacing this part regularly is key to maintaining your compressor's efficiency. It helps prevent issues caused by moisture accumulation. This offering includes 2 drain valves for your convenience. You'll have a spare ready, ensuring continuous operation. What we like. This is a genuine OEM replacement part, offered in a convenient 2-pack for common maintenance needs. It's vital for properly draining moisture from your compressor tank, preventing rust and extending its lifespan. If you own compatible Porter Cable C2002 or C2005 models and want to ensure proper drainage and longevity, this dual pack offers excellent value and authenticity. What people say. Number 1. Braveboy N008792 Air Compressor Regulator Repair Kit. Is your air compressor not performing as it should? This essential repair kit is designed to bring it back to optimal working condition, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. It offers wide compatibility with several major brands. You can trust it to fit various models from Porter Cable, Craftsman, and DeWalt, among others. This kit is a direct replacement for part number N008792. It also replaces D55155, D55167, D55684, and 23400S compressor regulator repair kits, ensuring a perfect match. If you own a Craftsman compressor, this kit is likely compatible. It works with models like 9191677784, 91916770, and many others, restoring their functionality. Many Porter Cable models can benefit from this kit. It's designed to fit C2150, C3101, C3150, and various other types, helping them regulate air pressure effectively. DeWalt compressor owners will find this kit useful too. It's compatible with models such as D55168, D55167, D55684, and many more, extending their lifespan. What we like. This repair kit offers extensive compatibility with numerous models from Porter Cable, Craftsman, and DeWalt. It provides a reliable solution for restoring your compressor's pressure regulation. If you are looking for a highly compatible and effective alternative to OEM parts for your regulator repair, this kit is an excellent choice to get your compressor back in working order. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.